Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about the basics of relations. In our previous classes, we already discussed about sets. So this is the first class about relations. So it is very important to understand and it is very easy to understand. So coming to today's class, first the definition. A set of ordered pairs defines a binary relation, or simply we call it as a relation. So with example you are going to understand it better. A set of ordered pairs. What's that mean? Let's take a relation A. Ordered pair means 1, 2. This is one ordered pair. 5, 6. One ordered pair. 8, 9. A set of ordered pairs. We call it as a relation. Now coming to the next concept, relation can be defined on, you can take two sets and you define a relation on that two sets, or you can take a single set and on that single set you can define a relation also. We'll do both the examples. Most of the times we go with the single set, but you need to understand both the ways. Example, take two sets, A 5, 6, 9, B 7, 10, 11. Let's take a relation. What's our relation here? Less than. That is what we need to apply on these two sets. Our relation maintains less than. What's that mean? Less than means. So 5 less than 7. 5 is taken from A, 7 is taken from B. This is one ordered pair. 5 less than 10. 5 less than 11. 6 less than 10. 6 less than 11. 9 less than 10. 9 less than 11. These are the ordered pairs which we are going to get the relation less than on these two sets. The relation R is given as a, this is what we call it as a relation. Now coming to take a single set. So most of the times it will be like this. Take a set N. N means all the natural numbers. So from 0, 1, 2, 3 so on up to infinite. On this natural number set, our relation, what's our relation says? S is a relation that is a in the form of x comma x square, where x belongs to natural numbers. So what's the ordered pairs that we are going to get on this relation, this type of relation? So S is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0 square, same 0, 1, 1, 1 square, 2, 4, 2 square means 4, 3, 9, so on. So our ordered pairs will be like this. This is what the relation that we mentioned here. Now next concept, the domain and range of a relation. What we say it as domain, what we say it as a range of a relation. Domain is a set of all first elements in ordered pair. With example you are going to understand it better. Let's take a relation S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, A, T, P, Q. This is a relation S. Domain of S, D of S is given as domain of S is equal to the set of all first elements in the ordered pairs. What's the first elements in the ordered pairs? 1, 3, A, P. That is what we call it as a domain. 1, 3, A, P. Set of all first elements. We call it as a domain. Similarly, range is a set of second elements in ordered pair. So the same relation, what is the range of S is second elements 2, 4, T, Q. 2, 4, T, Q is the range of the set, the relation S. So these are the basics which we need to understand, the basics about what's relation means. So if you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.